Oh, me too. What? I have no words for what I just did. You win. Click on a player trait. I'm a gay. I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny. Bunny, bunny,
really cute.
bunny, 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 bunny. I'm
Again?
aware. Wait, you're sheriff again?
I'm gonna kill this time.
Okay. Why are you just okay? Why are you just running into me? Wait, what? Why are you stuck?
Plus, I can't really see what the thing is. It's so light. I just want to see where it is.
Oh.
Well, you have your finger.
Yeah. With this. Oh. It's so good. Ooh, custom bomb.
There we go.
I'm not joining. I'm not spending. I'm not using a dang Game Pass just to have this custom bomb. I want to join the group. I am sure. I'm a bunny. You can't kill the bunny. It's crowded down here.
We can have a bigger area.
Yeah.
There we go. Ah.
I shot one of the guys on the posters. Smells like bread out there. Why are you sitting down?
Because I can.
Two. I like my shoes.
Where are the effects loading that I picked?
I don't know. I'm gonna change my effects.
How do you do that?
I
It
put
won't show up on my screen. Still rainbow knife.
oh.
Yeah.
I'm sheriff, and I have a rainbow knife, fire knife. My knife is on fire, which makes absolutely no sense. Hi, murderer. Murderer. Murderer.
Your mouth open. Hang on.
Okay.
Yeah, I couldn't even do anything.
Man, I'm so close to shooting you. Your animation pack is really good. Why are you so fast? I'm not fast enough to the bunny. Oh, you see how loud this is? Girl.
I'm level 16. Let me level up. You're level 90 something. Let me level up. Girl, come on.
You're 15.
I really want this one so bad.
Oh. You have it equipped. Yeah, you have it equipped.
You do?
You just had to click on it. That's all you have to do.
It's not showing up at all.
Well, you removed it because you pressed the X.
This?
No. Don't click on it. Well, you have to just click on the thing and then it equips.
What?
Don't click that. It equipped it. You have it now. Dr. Nichols. I don't want to be Dr. Nichols. I don't want a nickel. Operation. No,
Sure.
you operation. Then I'm murderer. Oh, hi. My screen froze. The way I was lagging that I went behind the corner. That sucks. This is such a small. Why does your gun look like a water gun? Hold up. Your gun looks like a water gun. You shooting me with water? I like water.
Clown gun.
I like water. You like you water.
Clown gun.
A clown gun. Huh? That does not match you after at all. Clown gun. You ain't no clown. I'm jumping on your head. I don't know why. Okay, what? Boing, boing. Bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny.
Does that look better?
Yeah. I like that. Nice, actually. Wait, do you still have the clown gun?
No.
Okay, good. I don't like being shoot with water. Just wandering around with my little gun. That's a flying gun. I mean knife. Now I'm in the kitchen again. What? I'm a cook. I heard that.
I'm trying to unequip it, but it won't freaking work.
Oh. I'm in the water again. I don't want to be in water. I don't like water. Where are
You're
you?
near me in a second.
Yeah, because you shot your gun. Now I know where you are. Kind of. But I heard it from the side of me. What? I'm outside now. Big. Oh, what a great day! Huh? Boing, 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 boing.
I'm in one of the rooms.
Boing, 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 boing. Okay.
That's your hint. That's the only hint you can get.
Oh man. Boing, 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 boing. What?
Turn it close. I thought.
What? What's on the toilet? You burnt. Let me have a turn. I'm just funny too. You burnt, brother. What the heck was that?
What?
Why were you on the toilet? I caught you on the toilet. I killed you on the toilet.
That's so weird.
I killed you
I
on
don't
the
like the
toilet.
gun, but I'm trying to see him. Okay, this is cute.
What is it? Oh, that is cute. Oh, it's rainbow too. I like the rainbow ones. It's hard to find stuff that actually looks good. Sheriff. Murderer. Back here! Fine, you can kill me. No tricks, I promise. No tricks, I promise. Kill me.
I'm trying to practice this.
Oh!
You already do it, didn't you?
Oh wow, that's good aim. That was good aim.
My mouse is right here and your avatar was right here, but it hit you for some reason.
How? You have aimbot.
You like how my thing looks?
Yeah. What gun you gonna use?
Oh, that's smart.
What? Hold up. Let me change my power. What's this do? Sight? I don't know. But it's for your knife throwing. Sight.
Uh-oh. I can do that too.
Oh! I'm sure. I don't have a knife anyway. But you do.
Why am I spawning here with the laundry machine?
Why are you near laundry machines? I'm going to the toilet.
You're probably while I was on the toilet.
I'm going to the toilet.
I kind of want to see
I'm
what
gonna
it
take
does.
I'm taking a poop. Leave me alone. When I take my poop.
Oh!
I'm take my poop in
So I
peace.
throw it and it goes where my mouse goes. Look.
Oh, that's smart. That's really overpowered. I'm on the toilet. I died on the toilet. Nah.
People are gonna be like, why are you letting her win? Like,
Because.
I'm low level?
By the way, I have the audio or microphone on.
Okay, sorry.
You're kidding me, I want to the toilet. I'm trying to take my poop in peace. Wow. Mine's purple. I like purple. Purple. Wait. Ooh. Wait, this is also good. I'm using decoy power.
Damn it.
Decoy. I'm murdering. And I have a decoy. I'm gonna use my decoy.
How do I get out of here?
I do not know. Just make sure you're not around. Decoy. Don't do the job for me, decoy. Did you find my decoy? I'm literally glitching.
Hmm?
I'm literally glitching while watching my decoy.
I know I'm near you if you hear my gun.
You're tricked easily, so I know you're gonna fall for my decoy. You're gonna fall for my decoy.
I have no idea where you are, actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting to see if you fall for my decoy.
I can't find it, bro.
Oh. It's near me.
Where is that? What you saw that?
Oh. No. How would I do that? I actually don't know how I did that. Levi Siguru just had just unboxed palms. You have palms? People have palms? Okay, decoy's not good.
There we go.
I'll use fake gun.
No, footprints is actually pretty good.
You know what? No, I'm gonna use that too. I'm just checking out all the powers.
People are like, why are you guys cheating? They're like, we're modded.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called, basically?
Yeah.
Not just playing in public.
Yeah. Cooked. Cooked me. Why did I stop?
Why?
Why did I spawn on top of a blue box? I don't want to be on a blue box.
Blue box.
I hate blue box. I spawned in the same area as last time on this map. How do I use my power with the fake gun? Hi. Yeah. What?
It landed like this and your butt was in the air.
Oh. Ninja. Ninja. I'm a ninja now. Oh.
How do you do it?
Mm.
In shop.
Oh. I don't need them anyway. Murderer. Oh well.
I'm gonna say something for the dog.
Okay.
Balloons. I found a gun called balloons.
Nice.
How'd you do it?
I don't know. I hear you, but I don't know what you are. Hey, I saw that. I'm just gonna wait for you to open the door then. Where are you? Hi. What the? I'm gonna be an alien. Oh, touch me.
I'm
Huh? What? Why didn't shoot the wall then? Okay. I don't know. What? What? Could you repeat that? What? What? Where'd that come from? Where'd you come from? Oops.
ah!
I am Sheriff. And I spawned in a bathroom. I spawned in a bathroom. I spawned in the men's bathroom. Ah! 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 it ended. That was weird. Fine, I'll change the song too.
These are the sons of Shem, after their families, after their tongues and their lands, after their nations. These are
Wait, I need to add it. I know I'm corny. I like that.
Huh?
I like that song. What are we doing? What are we doing? What the?